As I was leaving a friend's house, I saw that someone had put this 3-piece bistro set to the curb because they didn't want it anymore. It was their trash. So I opened up my SUV trunk, put it in, brought it home, and I'm gonna make this person's trash my treasure. Now, it's going to take some work. I have never refinished one of these tables. I am one of those people, I will give things a try and do the best I can, but I am by no means a professional. As you can see, I'm taking the wire brush and just going onto the table and scraping off the paint that I can get scraped off and the rust, because I will be spray painting this table and chairs. You can tell that this table has been spray painted once before. Next, I'm going to take my Black & Decker sander and just sand the tabletop. I am just using some 80 grit sandpaper that I had at my home. I am just trying to get any and all loose paint and rust sanded as best I can. As you can see, the paint chipped off right to the metal. Here it is after sanding. When I saw this outdoor table, I just thought to myself that, hey, the table's intact, the chairs are intact. So this is my first time doing this. I'm a DIYer, I'm not a professional, it's not perfect, but you know what, it's gonna look pretty darn good. I went to my local Menards and found this Rust-Oleum semi-gloss protective enamel, the color anodized bronze, and this is the color I'm going to spray paint the table and the metal portion of the chairs. I had to go online to find this high-tech vinyl, plastic, and carpet dye. It's permanent, won't crack, split, peel, or rub off, it says, and used to restore or change original color. And that's what I'm doing here, is painting the woven portion of the chair, the actual seating. And it's coating pretty nicely. Look at how smooth this is just laying down onto the seat. I'm impressed. Wow, it looks great. The seat is now black. I think it's a nice contrasting color with the anodized bronze. Let's remove our tape and newspaper. Look how well these colors complement each other. I really do like it. Now to spray paint the other chair. And with the addition of my thrift store black bowl that I added rocks and a flameless LED, this 3-piece bistro set has definitely been transformed. I think it came out great. It's not perfect, but you know what? It looks pretty good. I absolutely love budget-friendly DIY. I had to purchase the spray paint for the metal table and the metal portion of the chairs and the spray paint for the seating, but that was it, and it looks great here on my deck. Remember, this is what it looked like before I transformed it. It is poppin'. Thank you for joining me for this one man's trash to another man's treasure transformation.